ATNZ is really helped by facilitating a lot of monthly check-ins and seeing how I'm doing. They a lot of pastoral care in terms of what you need, what help you need with units that you're struggling with, or what you just give you more units when you do it. Just every step of the way they meet with you and they just plan the next steps based on how you're doing and what you need in the moment. The best part of my apprenticeship was when I finally got to the point where I was skilled enough and competent enough to just be given any job I wanted and be left alone to figure out how to do it as best I could on my own terms, and be trusted to have a reliable job at the end of it. I've always been very engineering minded, I guess. I terrorised my poor parents by taking apart household appliances when I was a toddler, and it just kind of led from one thing to another. I went to university for a bit, but when COVID rolled around, it put an end to that, and I sort of landed on my feet in the engineering trade, and I've just never looked back since. My advice for anyone considering an apprenticeship is we're at the point in the trade where a lot of the old fellas who learnt the old way of doing things manually, understanding the maths and calculations behind it, they're starting to learn the industry. So if you could get yourself under these guys and really just listen to what they have to say and take it on board, you're going to set yourself up for a really, really bright future, because you learn the skills that are slowly trickling out of the industry as we move on.